Welcome back.
So welcome back. So today we are going to make party dips. We're going to make two different kinds. We're going to make a sausage and mushroom party dip and a spinach and artichoke party dip. It's going to be absolutely delicious, perfect for any party or Super Bowl or anything really. You can always eat it as a late night snack, right? But before we get started, here's a little joke for you. The other day I went into an elevator and my friend said, "Hey, that's not an elevator, it's a lift." I guess we were raised differently. Ha 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 ha. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
We're going to start with the spinach and artichoke dip. We're going to add 1/4 cup of mayo.
Married to gentlemen. He rides and he rode. The same.
8 ounces of cream cheese. 1/2 cup of sour cream. 1.5 cups of chopped artichoke hearts. 2 cups or 16 ounces of frozen spinach. 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Then we're going to mix this on up with a beater and make sure all those wonderful flavors get dispersed throughout. Once it is mixed up, we're going to transfer it to a baking dish. Then we're going to throw this into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until this is nice and bubbly. For the mushroom and the sausage dip, we're going to start by dicing up 1 onion, 1.5 cups of mushrooms, and 1 tomato. Once we have that, we are ready to start the dip. We're going to start by cooking a pound of sausage.
Hey, Dad. That's not white monkeys.
Make sure to give the meat a good whacking before cooking it.
Uh-oh, I got my hair. I did my bow on my hair, down.
While this cooks, we're going to chop the meat into little pieces that can fit on a chip or cracker. You don't want it too small, however, that you kind of lose that texture. You want it big enough that you actually taste that flavor and it fits on the chip. Once that sausage is nice and brown, we're going to add the veggies. You can drain the grease off at this time if you want. However, I like to leave it just so you have something to cook those veggies in. We're going to then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 onion, 1 tomato.
I like tomatoes.
You want one?
No, they're just slippery.
You sure?
I like the little slice pieces. Not little tiny pieces.
And 1.5 cups of mushrooms. Once that's all cooked up and all those flavors are smelling fantastic, we're going to move this into a mixing bowl.
And I eat a cookie for Santa.
You eat a cookie for Santa?
Yeah, that's one.
And then there we're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're going to mix that up with a beater so that creams get dispersed throughout the dip. Once that's nice and mixed up, we're going to transfer this to a baking dish and throw it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly.
That smells delicious.
It smells delicious.
Yeah, I like it.
Does it smell like monkeys anymore?
No. So I have a chip ring.
So there we have a chip ring and we have our dip. So without further ado, you ready to get tasting? Which one you would try first? That one? Alright, go ahead. Good?
So this one is really actually good.
That one's what?
Really good.
Really good? I agree. That one is absolutely delicious. I mean, the sausage comes through, the mushroom comes through. You get that creaminess from the cream cheese. It's just perfect. Wouldn't change a thing. So, you want to try this one?
Yeah. Good.
Good?
Yeah.
That one is absolutely delicious too, like she said.
I want to go first.
Okay, you go.
So this is really good.
It's really good? Yes, I agree. It is really good. The spinach and artichokes work together. I mean, if she says it's good, and it's got spinach and artichokes, I mean, you know it's delicious, right? So, with that being said, if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you can be notified every time we make a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye. I'm doing that one.